Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today we are presenting an incredible deal from Influencify. If you want to sell products on social media, or you want to manage your own social media marketing campaigns, you'll need a tool that allows you to find strong influencers and team up with them effectively. Influencify is a good place to start. Get lifetime access to Influencify with our lifetime deal for only $59. Sometimes an advertisement does not express the real brand image or deliver the experience of how it would be to use your products. That is where influencers come into play. But you have to look for the right influencer for your product. This is where Influencify comes in. Influencify is an influencer marketing platform that assists you in increasing your sales by helping you in finding and connecting with influencers and selling your product. If your account has more than 2,000 followers, you can get started in just a few clicks by identifying influencers in your target audience. Connect your accounts directly, and the software will assess your profile and find influencers who follow you or have liked any of your posts. Influencify will create a list of all identified influencers, allowing you to create a campaign and invite them to become brand ambassadors. With Influencify, you can use the discovery tool to find the right influencers for your next campaign. Simply enter the social channel, and depending on your criteria, you can narrow down the list by using the audience filters. You will see thousands of matching influencers with key metrics like followers, engagement rate, and views that you can save to your list and become brand ambassadors for you. If you already have an audience on Instagram or Twitter and are looking for new ways to increase engagement and sales, Influencify is definitely worth taking a look at. Lifetime deal starts at only $59. Save as much as $1,100 and get lifetime access to Influencify. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Get the right people to notice your brand. Try Influencify now. For more information, please click the link below. Check out other software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. You will probably find a software solution that's right for you. Hit that like button and subscribe to get our latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.